It is well known that water is a vital source of life. 70% of our brain, muscles and heart consist of water, and 83% of our blood consists of water. Therefore, water is essential to our body. Just imagine if 70% of the water we drink every day is high quality. 70% of our health problems will most likely be solved. Healthy blood should be in the pH 7.35 to 7.40 range. However, statistics have shown that most people have acidic bodies that cause blood to thicken, which affects its blood circulation, thus leading to various modern diseases such as hypertension, heart disease, etc. What are the factors that cause most people to have acidic bodies?
There are 5 main factors that cause the human body to turn acidic. The first factor is bad eating habits. Why? Because many of us prefer to consume 4 times more meat than vegetables nowadays, which causes our bodies to become acidic. How do we tell which food is acidic and which is alkaline? It's simple. Let's take a look at the pH chart. Food with a pH value of 7 and above are alkaline. Example, fruits and vegetables. Foods with a pH value below 7 are acidic in nature. Example, meat, egg yolk, beer, etc. The second factor is the lack of exercise. The third factor is air pollution. The fourth factor is leading a stressful lifestyle. The fifth factor is unsuitable drinking water. These are the main factors that lead to an acidic body.
A Japanese medical doctor, upon conducting a clinical trial with 100 cancer patients, discovered that all of them had acidic blood, with 85% of the blood samples having pH values that are lower than pH 5.8. The research study shows that an acidic body can easily weaken organ tissues and cause difficulty in excretion. This results in slower metabolism, thereby overburdening the kidney and liver. If this condition prolongs, various aging issues and diseases will arise. So all modern diseases are related to blood, and since blood is related to water, choosing the suitable drinking water would be important to our health, right?
Yes, that's right. While drinking more water is always encouraged, we need to be aware that not all drinking water or drinks in the market are good for our health. I will now test these 5 types of drinks using the pH tester. As you can see, the carbonated water gives a red color, which means it is strongly acidic and not suitable for excessive drinking. The mountain spring water is also shown to be acidic. How is that possible? Most of us would think that mountain spring water is alkaline. And yet it isn't. Why is it acidic then? That's because it is affected by acid rain and air pollution. Next, let us look at the test result for the RO or reverse osmosis water. It is also acidic. This is due to the water being overly cleaned and its rich minerals fully filtered out, causing the water to turn acidic. The pH value for tap water is between 6 to 6.5. while the value of mineral water is pH 7. The World Health Organization advised that water or drinks with pH 10.5 or higher are not suitable for human consumption.
So what kind of water is regarded as good quality water and most suitable for human consumption?
Well, before we get to that, we need to understand the nature of water first. Water can be classified into 3 types: alkaline water, neutral water, and acidic water. Water that is suitable for human consumption is in the range of pH 7.1 to 10, which is mild alkaline water. Mild alkaline water is able to neutralize acidity in the body and thus improve our health. Good quality water must also meet the following criteria. 1. It must not contain harmful substances. 2. It must be rich in minerals such as calcium, magnesium, sodium, and potassium. 3. It must consist of small water molecules. 4. It must be highly permeable. 5. It must be antioxidant. 6. It must have ORP.
Currently, which available type of water would meet these criteria?
Healthy ionized water is the only water in the market that would meet these criteria.
We have heard of energized water, RO water, and mineral water. However, we have rarely heard of healthy ionized water.
Actually, we have already learnt about this healthy ionized water in secondary school. It is made by placing 2 electrodes into an electrolytic bath, separated by an electrolytic diaphragm in the middle. One of the electrodes is connected to the anode, while the other to the cathode. Once electrified, the water molecules and various minerals will be electrolyzed and broken down into the acidic H+ ionized water and the alkaline OH- ionized water. The acidic ionized water contains sulfur, sulfate, and other ionized minerals, while the alkaline ionized water contains calcium, magnesium, sodium, potassium, and other ionized minerals. This method was first invented by the US and France in 1930. Later, with further research by scholars in Japan, this technology was finally approved by the Japanese Health Authority as a medical device in 1966 and was released into the market. According to the clinical outcomes of various hospitals in Japan, we can see that healthy ionized water is effective in the treatment of indigestion, constipation, diabetes, heart disease, and osteoporosis.
If healthy ionized water is so beneficial to health, why hasn't it been widely publicized?
Actually, people are already talking about healthy ionized water. Many experts have mentioned the effectiveness of healthy ionized water in their publications. It might be due to the fact that healthy ionized water machines used to cost around 10,000 to 30,000 ringgit. Therefore, it was not that popular.
What's the difference between the IONS healthy ionized water machine and other water filters then?
IONS is the first to integrate far infrared bar into an ionized water machine. It is this unique design that makes IONS healthy ionized water machine outstanding from the rest. First, tap water will flow through our exclusively designed PMC filter, followed by our Japan ACF filter to remove the chlorine in the water. It will then flow through the far infrared bar and finally the Japan 1.2 platinum baked titanium electrodes to break up the water into stable alkaline ionized water and acidic ionized water. Let's have a demonstration. We will start with the IONS acidic ionized water, and then the IONS alkaline ionized water. This demonstration proves that the IONS healthy ionized water machine is capable of producing alkaline ionized water and acidic ionized water.
Is there anything unique about the alkaline ionized water and acidic ionized water produced by IONS healthy ionized water machine? What are their health benefits?
The alkaline ionized water produced by IONS healthy ionized water machine has 4 major characteristics and unlimited benefits. Firstly, its far infrared bar is able to stimulate human cells and prevent the water from getting cold. Secondly, the IONS alkaline ionized water contains mineral ions that neutralize the acidity in the body. Let's do a simple demonstration. This is a piece of white bread. Our body will become acidic if we eat the bread. Likewise, I shall drip 4 drops of pH tester into it. Our bodies are now acidic. Now, let's see if the RO water is able to neutralize the acidity. Look, it can't. Let's try with the mineral water. It can't as well. Now let's try with the IONS alkaline ionized water. As you can see, it immediately neutralizes the acidity in the body. This is a bottle of carbonated water. Let's see what will happen to our bodies if we consume carbonated water. I'll use just a quarter capful of carbonated water to demonstrate. Again, a few drops of pH tester are dripped into it. The carbonated water actually has a pH value of around 3. Now let's see if the RO water is able to neutralize the acidity. It doesn't work. Let's try with the mineral water. It fails as well. Now, the IONS alkaline ionized water. With just half a cup of alkaline ionized water, it immediately neutralizes the acidity in the body. We can confirm that the IONS alkaline ionized water can neutralize the acidity in the body. Thirdly, it has an antioxidant property and oxidation reduction potential. What does that mean? Let's take a look at this simple demonstration. First, let's pour in the RO water, and then the mineral water, followed by the IONS alkaline ionized water. This is betadine or iodine, which is specifically used for treating wounds. I shall drip an average of 8 drops of iodine, with another 8 drops into each glass of water. Among these 3 glasses of water, why is the alkaline ionized water the only one that is clear? Both the RO water and the mineral water are not able to neutralize the toxic in the body. And only the IONS alkaline ionized water is capable of neutralizing the toxic in the body. For example, if we take a bite of this apple, in just half an hour it will be oxidized and turn brown in color. However, if you place this apple into the IONS alkaline ionized water, it will slow down the oxidation process. Why? Once you've seen the following experiment, you will understand. Firstly, we shall use the RO water, then the mineral water, and the IONS alkaline ionized water. Now, let us use the oxidation reduction potential test pen to test whether the potential is negative or positive. It is apparent that the RO water and the mineral water have positive charges. On the other hand, only the IONS alkaline ionized water has ORP under a power supply of negative 250 millivolts or below, and therefore is antioxidant. Fourthly, the IONS alkaline ionized water has smaller molecules and allows for the higher solubility and permeability. We will now do a simple demonstration. Let's immerse these tea bags into these 3 glasses of water. Firstly, we will use the RO water. For the second glass, we will use the mineral water. The third glass, the IONS alkaline ionized water to see if there is any difference. Obviously, the IONS alkaline ionized water has the highest permeability. Allow me to do another experiment. Have you ever heard of water breaking oil molecules? We have 3 glasses of oil here. I shall pour the RO water into the first glass, followed by the mineral water, and lastly, the IONS alkaline ionized water. As you can see very clearly, in the first and second glasses, which contain RO water and mineral water respectively, the water and oil are separated clearly into 2 layers. Only the IONS alkaline ionized water is able to break the oil molecules. The alkaline water and oil are mixing with each other in the turbid water. This proves that the IONS alkaline ionized water has a strong solubility that can enable our body to excrete excess body fat. Why does the electrolyzed water have particularly small water molecules? The reason is simple. Usually, each H2O molecule group has 13 to 16 molecules. Once electrolyzed, they will be broken down into 7 to 8 acidic water molecules and 5 to 6 alkaline water molecules. These small water molecules can then be easily absorbed by our body. The IONS acidic ionized water and alkaline ionized water have many benefits. Firstly, they have strong antibacterial properties, which make them most suitable for cleaning kitchen utensils and all kinds of furniture. If there is suppuration, the IONS acidic ionized water can be used to treat infected skin. It has a pH value of 5.5 to 6, allowing it to effectively help in the prevention of freckles and acne. It can also be used to prevent oral inflammation and tooth decay through gargling. Since the IONS spray bottle is made with unique materials and sports a special design, the acidic ionized water can therefore remain fresh for up to 2 months. Water stored in an ordinary bottle can only last for 2 days.
What makes the IONS Healthy Ionized Water machine different from the others? What criteria should consumers take note of before purchasing?
IONS Healthy Ionized Water Machine is the only one with 4 worldwide accreditations. First, absolutely safe. Second, having the most patents. Third, having one-stop services. Fourth, having the most international accreditations. IONS is the world's first healthy ionized water machine to comply with ROHS, from interior to exterior. Even a small screw has international accreditations and is guaranteed free of plasticizer. IONS also has 4 exclusive worldwide patents. First, the PMC filtration system. Second, the Japan 1.2 μ platinum-baked titanium electrodes. Third, the removable DIY diaphragm. Fourth, upgrade ability. The PMC filtration system is a 3-level system that consists of PP filter, UF membrane, and NSF granular activated carbon filter. The PMC filter does not contain any additional synthetic minerals and thus is able to provide excellent water quality for customers. What is added synthetic mineral? Let us do a simple experiment. Now, in my hands are what you call synthetic minerals. Let me add them into the tap water. You can see that its color is slowly changing to alkaline water. So, just imagine that if we have bought a filter that contains additional synthetic minerals, the function of our body could be damaged in the long term. What's so good about the Japan 1.2 μ platinum-baked titanium electrode? According to a book written by a Japanese professor well known for his expertise in water, many electrolysis baths are made of stainless steel, iron or coated platinum, etc., which may cause some heavy metal to dissolve in the water during electrolysis. It is harmful to the body if consumed for long periods, even in small amounts. Thus, many brands would need to replace their electrodes in 1 or 2 years as they deteriorate quicker, resulting in higher maintenance fees. On the other hand, IONS uses the Japan 1.2 μ platinum-baked titanium electrodes, which has a lifespan of more than 10 years. It is able to produce water with a wider range of pH value and doesn't release any harmful substances. Next, what is a diaphragm? It is a piece of paper that is placed in the middle of the electrolysis bath. Over time, the diaphragm will be worn out, which will decrease the electrolysis function. Many brands need to replace the whole electrolysis bath when the diaphragm is worn out. That is very wasteful. IONS has introduced this unique removable DIY diaphragm, which enables the customer to replace only the diaphragm every 3 or 4 years, allowing more savings. Besides, IONS is the only healthy ionized water machine in the market that can be upgraded. We are able to upgrade or add electrodes at any time, regardless of the model that you have purchased. Plus, IONS also provides one-stop services for all customers, including quick installation, various colors to choose from, constant monitoring of customers' usage, platinum electrode cleaning, upgrading at any time, and overhaul service. In addition, we have won some accreditations internationally, which include for safety, technology, non-toxicity, and accreditations for various parts.
In short, the IONS Healthy Ionized Water Machine has a great effect in changing our acidic bodies, beautifying our skin and hair, stimulating body cells, and enhancing our immune system, etc.
Exactly! The IONS Healthy Ionized Water Machine has been acknowledged by European countries and Japan. Therefore, the quality is definitely assured. We offer 5 guarantees. IONS is absolutely safe, absolutely high quality, reasonably priced, absolutely effective, with absolutely professional after-sales services. The IONS Healthy Ionized Water Machine is not just a filter, but a healthy ionized water source for your whole family.
Want to improve your health or maintain your beauty by drinking water? Call the IONS Healthy Ionized Water Machine hotline now at 1300-889011 or 016-225-3598 for more information.